Somewhere in these waters lies the answer to one of the world's most beguiling mysteries. In an area of sea that has claimed hundreds of lives. Over the last century, 1,000 ships have been reported lost without a trace in the Bermuda Triangle. Since 1492, when Columbus first sailed into the area and saw strange lights in the sky, the list of bizarre disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle has grown. Thousands of ships and planes have simply vanished without a trace. No warning, no distress calls, no wreckage. The triangle covers the seas between Bermuda to Miami and down to Puerto Rico. 1.5 million square miles of treacherous water. One of the most spectacular mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle is that of Flight 19. On the 5th of December 1945, 5 US Navy airplanes with a crew of 14 airmen were on a training flight off the east coast of Florida. What follows is based entirely on the original radio transcripts.
We should be seeing land by now. There's nothing out there.
Foxterre 28, this is Fort Lauderdale. What is your current position, over?
Fort Lauderdale Tower. We're unable to confirm our current position, over.
FT28, you just need to head due west. Due west. Do you read?
Roger that. We don't know which way is west.
Everything is wrong. We're out of gas. We're going down. Going down.
All 14 airmen were lost. There was a final twist that night. A rescue plane was sent to look for Flight 19. 27 minutes later, it too vanished. It is these unexplained disappearances that keep the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle alive.